It's Wednesday, January 10th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Pinato of eXp Realty, your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist. And we certainly hope this isn't you, but we have a rather disturbing finding in the latest TransUnion Consumer Pulse that nearly 3 in 10 of those surveyed aren't confident about being able to pay their bills in the coming months, while 57% are planning to cut household spending to get by. Oh, but then we have this view of the world from the country's financial institutions. Banking execs expressing confidence that while 14% of mortgage holders are up for renewal this year, they don't anticipate a wave of defaults. RBC CEO Dave McKay suggesting that the monthly average payment increase should only be about $400 with those higher interest rates. Named one of Canada's top-rated business podcasts by FeedSpot and available around the world on X, TikTok, and wherever you get your favorite podcast, Canada's Business Beat is proudly sponsored by Eric Pinato of eXp Realty. Considering a move to BC's wine country? Eric is your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap Lakeview specialist at OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com. Albertans who like to spend their summers at the lake in BC won't like this one. A proposed ban on out-of-province boats being towed into the province is gaining support. Invasive mussels, the big concern. Kelowna City Council, the latest to agree with the pitch, coming from the Okanagan Basin Water Board, while the region's Tourism Association is also on side. The brand new year begins with more production cuts in the lumber sector. Vancouver-based West Fraser Timber blaming high costs and soft markets for a decision to shut down one of its sawmills down in Florida, while another U.S. operation in Arkansas is being curtailed indefinitely. Over 200 jobs impacted. And a damning report on oil and natural gas exploration in British Columbia, too complicated with land claims and government regulations, according to the Fraser Institute, describing BC as Canada's least attractive jurisdiction for energy investors. And that will do it for your Wednesday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Pinato and OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com.